Hi teacher and everyone. In this video, I want to talk about the pros and cons of social network like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. And these platforms connecting us to friends and family, provide entertainment and allow us to share life moments. However, experts warn that spending too much time on social media can negatively impact mental health. And the constant comparison and filtered images can lower self-esteem. Cyberbullying is also a growing issue. Um, on the plus side, social platform allow you to stay in touch with friends and connect you to new people. And sharing thoughts and updates lets us participate in each other's life. And social causes and events easily spread thanks to trading hashtags and viral posts. But social media also fuels controversy and as misinformation quickly circulates. Users can fall into echo chambers that reinforce existing beliefs over or causes distraction, affecting productivity and focus. Moderation is key, being conscious of how much time we spend. Needlessly scrolling is important. We should also verify information before sharing it. In conclusion, social networks provide connection but solve the usage responsibility. Thank you very much for your attention.